Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to host your website in your local server. So that is mean in your local computer you can create your website without having any domain name or hosting. I will show you the easy method. So let's see. Okay, let's see why host website locally in your computer. So there are several reasons. One is no need to pay for hosting or domain name. So you can create your website on your local. Your computer will act as the local server, and also you can try WordPress for learning purposes. So you can use different types of themes, plugins, and you can test WordPress. And also you can design full website locally before upload into live host. And this development process you can do it offline. There are so many advantages when you creating website in local computer. Once you create your website, you can export it and you can import into your main web server or main domain. So let's see how to do that. Many people use WAMP or XAMPP platform as a local host, but for the beginners, it's little bit confusing. For easy installation and access of local host, I recommend you this localwp.com. It's very easy. So let's download this. So here you have to select the platform. So I am using the platform as Windows. So if you use Mac or other platforms, you can select that one. So let's click. So I give my name details. Once you give the detail, click get it now. Okay, now you can see the download start automatically. So click unverified file, no problem. It is around 631 MB. So let's wait till it is downloaded. Once the download is completed, you can go to the downloads folder and install. Right click, run as administrator. Click next. So here you can see the install location is local programs, and there's a folder called log. If you want to change this folder, you can click this browse and change the folder. For the moment, better to keep as the default one. So let's click install. Once the installation is completed, you will get following screen. It will show you completing local setup, finish. So run local is selected. So once you click finish on the desktop, also it will create a local short link. So you can click that also. So let clicks I have read agreement and clicks I agree. Now all are set for the local hosting. So let's create a free account. Here you can create an account using your Google account. Click continue. Okay, click open local. Click open local. So if you want to turn on error reporting, you can turn on. So let's click turn on. Okay, this is the dashboard of the local hosting. So now click create a new site. So it will ask you to create a new site or create from a blueprint. That is start a new site with the pre-installed elements like plugins or themes. So better to keep this, create a new site and click continue. If you have any website downloaded as zip folder, you can drag and drop the zip folder here and it will automatically open the website. For this demonstration purpose, we are creating a new site. So let's click continue. So here you can give the site name. So I'll give my site name as WebIAS. So in the advanced option, you can see the domain name will be like this. Your domain name dot local, and this is the local pathway. The local sites, the domain name will be there. If you want to create a new local path, you can browse and create new one. Otherwise, keep as default and click continue. And here it will here choose your environment. So this environment is a PHP latest version. This is the web server and MySQL latest version. So if you want to customize this, you can click this custom, and here you can select the PHP version, and the web server if you want Apache you can select, and the database. So those are the default ones. So better to keep this default one and click continue. Okay, now set up WordPress. Here it will ask for a WordPress username, password. So if you want, you can give admin or else any other name, and the password you can give a good password, and also the email. Better to save this username and password for the future references. In the advanced option is this a WordPress multi-site. So if you want to keep a multi-site WordPress, you can keep yes, or else you can keep no. So better to keep no. Just create a single website, and once you're done, click add site. Click allow access. Again click allow access. Okay, once the setup is done, you will get the following screen. Here you can see this is your website name. So your website name, domain name will be webias.local, and the SSL certificate is trust web server. So all the details will be available here. So if you want to access the WordPress dashboard, you can click this WP admin. Here you have to give your username and password you have already given. Wow. Now you can see the WordPress dashboard is appearing. This is the local host. You can see your website name dot local dot forward slash WP admin. So here you can install any preferred theme. Let's show you how to install a free WordPress theme. Go to appearance, click themes, click add new theme. Let's install a Royal Elementor kit theme. So let's search for Royal Elementor. Okay, you can see this Royal Elementor kit is here. Click install, click activate. Once activated, it will ask you get started with templates kit. So let's click this one, then click allow and continue. Now you can see there are a lot of free templates available. So let's click this price at free. So these are the free templates. Very nice blog and other templates are available here. So let's install this financial services. Here it will show the each and every page is available. So let's click this import template kits. Click OK. So it will start to import all the demo contents. Okay, once the demo import is completed, you will get the following successful message. So let's click this visit site. Wow, now you can see all the demo contents have been imported. So now you can edit each and every page using the Elementor builder. So once you're done with editing in the local server, how to upload this content into the real website? For that, you have to export this data. To do that, go to a WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click add new plugin, and here search for all-in-one WP migration. Okay, this is the plugin we are going to use. Click install now, then click activate. So once you activate the plugin, it will display here. So now we have to export the contents here. So here we have to do the export work. Once it's exported, again go to your main website. There you have to install the same plugin, and there you have to import the contents. So there's another tutorial how to migrate the website into a new domain or new server. You can watch that website. For the moment, I'll just show you how to export this. So click this export and click export to. So here there are several ways to export the file. You can export to Google Dropbox, Google Drive, so other ways, but here you can download it to your main computer. So click file. So now it will export it to your file, your main computer. Once it's exported, you can go to your main website and you can import the same website. So please refer the tutorial on how to migrate the website in our description. So any issues, please feel free to contact us, leave us a comment, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.